Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Let's dive into today's insights. So we want to set up our Google Tag Manager for our Funnelish funnel. So this is my Funnelish funnel. Our Funnelish name is track. Now we need to go to here tagmanager.google.com. So you just search for Google Tag Manager on Google and it will direct you to here. Then just click on create account and track and optimize. I can optimize Funnelish. Yeah, I want to name it as this. Then my URL would be track and optimize.com and type would be web. This is the most important part here. You should choose web type container. Okay, the account is created. Now we need to install one extension called Google Tag Assistant. You see, this is the extension you need to add from your. You see, I have added this already, tag assistant, and this is my tag assistant. So I would not add it again. Now I would just get this code. Okay. Now go to my setting of my funnel, and then no custom code. So we need to create a custom code. That's why you don't see any custom code here. Append page here, GTM, and then create code. Okay. You are now ready with GTM. Now it's time for testing. This is my landing page. So I would give it a refresh. We will test it one with that extension. I will see if my GTM is successfully placed here or not. Wait a second. Okay, we should see some GTM here. Okay, no, not yet, right? Just need to give it a few seconds to. Okay, I did not give it a save changes. Okay, you always do it. Give it a save changes. Until you save, you will not be able to see your tag assistant here. You see, my extension is picking the right one, WBXL. WBXL, that means it is connected. We can also test in another way, which is this one. Okay, now I want to enter my URL here. Now you see, it is showing connected also. Here you see everything is loading up. That means my domain or my funnel is being successfully connected with my GTM. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to set up Google Analytics tool for our Funnelish funnel. So how to do that? You just need to come here, analytics.google.com. Then it will take you here and it will prompt you to create an account. So already I have an account. So you may have different interface. Just go with the account creation. Now I would create an account. Yes, you would be starting from here. My account detail, it would be track and optimize. So I can optimize Funnelish. See, and then I would just go with everything. And property, I would name it after track and optimize.com. Yes, everything looks good. I would just give it any name. You should enter all the details correct way. So I would just go with generate leads. You may choose other one also. No issue with them. Now you need to create a data stream. So here you should enter your website URL. And then okay. Now click on next. So you see, we don't need to test installation. Okay, just we need that ID. Okay, copy that ID, close it, go to next, continue to home. Okay, now there is another way you can get this. How? You go to data collection, data stream, select the stream you just created earlier and copy this. That's it. You have now come to your tag manager. Now click on new. After clicking on new, what you should do is just analytics, Google tag, and create another parameter called send page view and type it true. That's all, and save it. Okay, I would just name it with proper naming for myself. So after any change, you should hit submit and publish. But for now, I would not do it because I'm gonna do much more work here also. So that's why I would not publish it right now. But any changes you made, click on submit, publish. Okay, also let's do it for you now. Now what I would do is I would just go to analytics and into data display. I would go to debug view. There is two ways to test if your analytics has been successfully placed or not. So now close it, go to workspace, give it refresh. Now in the meantime you give your page a refresh and you install the extension called Google Tag Extensions. You remember, from here you just come here. You should be able to see the ID. It may take few seconds to load up. Okay. Wait. Okay, so it will take some time to raise up there. In the meantime, I would just go to test it directly with my analytics. Okay, my page is connected, is loaded, and if I go there, my Google Tag Manager is already fired. You see. Okay, you see my analytics has came up. This is my Google Analytics 4. I would also test it from here because there should be a device called Google as we are on debug mode. Okay, you see it's just connected already. It is Google and you see your first visit page view and everything is connected. And if you see what is the page title and if you see it is the correct one or not, you see this is my funnel URL, and with this my GA4 connection with my GTM has been successfully done. This is the basic implementation or base code implementation. So for now, that's it. Very good. Hello everyone. Now let's see how to set up our Google Analytics 4 lead event or generate lead event for our Funnelish funnel. So I have a form, as you can see. This is my form on my Funnelish page. Now what I want to do, I want to set up a conversion. Now come to Google Tag Manager. Yeah, I am here. Now you already have set up your Google Tag base code for your GA4, right? Then go ahead, click on New, Google Analytics, and Google Analytics 4 event. Now you need the ID. I have the ID already. This is the ID. Now I would name the event as generate lead. Okay, cool. Now I would create a trigger when the event should fire. When the event should fire is, if I submit the form, you see it is my confirmation page. Copy the URL. Page URL contains this. You see, this is my page URL contains this, and this would be generate lead triggers, and this would be a lead event for my Google Analytics 4. I would name it after lead. Now again you need to submit it because you did changes, right? Once you submit the changes, you need to come back again and give it a preview again. You see on the meantime on analytics, come to admin. After that, data display under debug view. I will just refresh it for you. We need to see another debug view with my another review. Okay, this is the last one. Now you just need to come from data display under debug view. That's it. Now yeah, this is my landing page. Where is my funnels? Contact is here. I would just click on contact us and all the information filled in already. Submit. It should be firing an event, right? So how do we know? I will just go to my analytics. wait for a few seconds to the debug view connect. You see, debug view connection is established, and this is my page view and user engagement. My generate lead came up. When my page referrer is this and page location is this. So that does mean that my generate lead event or lead event setup for my Funnelish funnel for GA4 is been successfully done. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So today we want to set up a meta pixel for our Funnelish funnel. So we already have connected our GTM. So you can check that video on the beginning of this playlist. So now we need to connect our Facebook pixel, right? For that, you just need to go to your events manager from your Meta business manager. Under that, I will just create another another pixel web, and I would name it with Funnelish 2025. Okay, create, cool. I don't want this, but they have divided this, but I don't want this, right? Okay, nothing. I just will close everything. Then go to settings and copy that tag. That's it. Go to GTM, go to tag, tag configuration, go to tag template or commented template gallery. It should load up in few seconds. Now search for Facebook. You see Facebook by Facebook archive, pixel by Facebook archive. You should always add that one. Okay, now I have got the pixel ID, right? And the page view is page view. Sorry, the page event for our pixel is page view. So it is already selected. I don't need to do anything. Just leave as it is and enter the ID test, and then close all pages and give it Facebook pixel base, and boom, you are done. Then you need to just submit, publish, or skip, whatever you do. Just publish the container every time you made any changes. Okay, now come here. You need to install a plugin or extension. This is called Meta Pixel Helper. Search for this. If you just find this, you just need to add this. I have already added this, so I will not add it again. So if I refresh my page, it should show me that my pixel is connected. You see, page view and pixel ID is correct. So my Facebook pixel connection with my Funnelish funnel is been successfully done. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Let's dive into the today's insights. So we want to set up our lead conversion for when someone submits a form on our Funnelish funnel. So this is my form. You can see. Now what I want to do is I want to go to GTM, and I already created my pixel. Come to settings and just copy the dataset ID. That's it. Then go to tag manager and go to tags. Okay. Now I want to know when the lead has happened. So if I submit the form, this is my confirmation page. So when someone views that page, is my conversion for my form on the Funnelish funnel. Okay. So what I would do is I would go to GTM and click on create new. Then tag manager, tag configuration, and the extension or the tag template we already installed within GTM. We just select it and enter my ID. That is done. Now you need to choose what event you want. I would choose with. You maybe go with submit application. You can go with whatever you want. You can go with custom. So I would go with my lead event. Yes, this is on. And then it is done. Now come to triggering. Now click on create, trigger configuration, page view. And the page URL contains what? This. And this would be Meta Pixel lead. I would submit it and save it with the lead event. Okay, now you are done, you submit it. Okay, once it is published, we will go to our pixel and go to test event and bring our URL, which is this. I would copy this and come here and to test it here if the pixel is picking the event successfully or not. Okay, my page view has been captured on my extension. I would also check page view arrived on my funnel. Sorry, my events or pixel. Now contact us. Now you submit. What does it say? It's not arrived yet because it is taking a bit to publish. But wait, a lot of automatic events came up, but you can ignore that. Give it a good refresh. You see, my pixel has been successfully capturing my lead event. And you come here, your lead event is here. So that way you can easily track your Funnelish funnels form submission. And if you need to track other events like purchase, add to cart, checkout, or other events, you can just let me know and reach out to me. I would be happy to help you out on this thing. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Let's dive into the insights. So I will be saying how to configure your stage server for your GTM or for your Funnelish funnel. So you just need to come on to this domain step.io and then you need to sign up. Once sign up, you can create your server. Okay. Now I would go to SGTM and I would create a new container, create a GTM container, and the name would be track and optimize Funnelish. With this, you got a 10,000 requests free each month. Okay. Now you need to go to you see, it is my GTM account. Now I need to go to admin and I need to create another container. Name would be Funnelish server. Now I will choose the server type. Create and then click on manual provision tagging server. Copy this, go to your state, enter it here and choose whatever is nearest from you. I would center, go with US center, lower. That's it. Okay. I would go with free. You see 10,000 requests free each month and continue with free plan. No credit card required. Then I just need that URL. Okay. Go to your server container, go to admin, container setting, and you see you just enter it here. You need to do one more changes within your browser container. Go to browser container, go to tags, and you have the base code tag, right? Now you need to add one more parameter. It is called server container URL, and that's it. Okay, it's loading still. You save it and then you publish it. That's it, boom. Now you need to do one thing, go to workspace of your server to test if your server is receiving requests from your website or not. Throughout this stage, you'll just need to wait. It's loading. Now give your browser a preview. Yeah, that preview has been loaded, right? Now we need to test it if that is receiving requests successfully or not. Okay, wait. Now I would go and see technically test. This is my container loaded with initialization, my GFO base code, and my browser request to the server is been sent. You see, my page view has been arrived. So that way I can see GFO request claimed it. You can see that, and the outgoing incoming request, a lot of information are here. So that way you can connect your stage server with your Funnelish funnel throughout GTM server container. For now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here, and it is my Funnelish funnel. And we want to set up or configure Meta Conversion API, and Meta Conversion API is really create a important factor in terms of receiving data or running ads on the pixel. So if you are not configuring the conversion API, you will be missing a lot of data, because nowadays browsers, if you see that, if you go to inspect and it is loaded, you see Chrome is moving toward a new experience that allows users to choose browser without third-party cookies. So the browser like Safari and iOS 14.5 updates all are just blocking cookie blockers, using cookie blockers and restricting everything. Now I will be showing you a basic implementation of conversion API. There is much more advanced one, which will take longer, but for now I will show you how to configure conversion API in a basic way. Now this is my funnel of landing page. So you see, this is my server container, this is my browser container, and I need a pixel. You see, I have created already pixel, and this is my pixel. I will just go to my server container, and you see that it is my server container, and I would go to tags, I would go to new, I would go to template gallery and search for conversion API, okay, or search for Facebook directly. It's better than anything else. It is the conversion API tag by Facebook Incubator. It is owned by officially by Meta, so you should add it only, okay, no, nothing else, this one only. Now you need the ID. From where you get it? This one. I have the ID. Now I need the API access token. I would just generate it. Generate access token. Copy this, enter it here, and you need test event. Go to your test event, enter server, copy this, and enter it here. Now what you need to do is click on trigger plus, and custom event would be generate lead. Because we have on our last video of Facebook lead event, you will see we have set up a conversion for Google Analytics 4. You see, if you come here on, this is our event we have set up. How to do it, I will just show you. You just go to new on browser container and click on Google Analytics GA4 event, name the event, the measurement ID of your GA4, enter the event, and then choose the trigger we have already created, which is when someone view this page, you see, you just click on plus and show page view and enter the URL with page URL contains this one. So you can find out on our previous videos. For now I am just going with this so that I don't need to create duplicate one. Now our GA4 or browser site is sending generate lead event. You see, this is my lead event. Let me show you. Generate lead event to my server throughout my step configuration. Now let's wait. Okay, so now I need to stay here. So I need to set up a trigger which is called this custom event, and it would be generate lead event, and what is called is like untitled trigger. I would give it a name of meta lead API. Okay, cool. Now it is submit, everything is done. Now you need to publish this. Do publish. On our event manager, I would go to test event and see if we are receiving browser and server event corresponding, because we have configured it from both sides, right? From browser side, from server side. So what I would do is I would open my copy my URL and go to my this one. I would just open it. You see, I would start receiving my page view. This is start received. Now let's submit the form. Okay, my browser data should be sent, and yes, this is the browser one. We should wait for our server event. Okay, so this is okay. You see, my server event has been loaded already. You see the data, and the main part you see it is from server. It is from server. So now, as the events are receiving from both sides, that should be duplicated, and I will be showing you the deduplication on the next video. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing the deduplication for our lead event. So we already sending data from browser and server, as you can see. This is the browser one, and throughout this we are sending server. Now what need to do is just come here and under event parameter, add event. Add parameter. It would be event ID, and go to plus, then search for a community template gallery. Wait, we need to search here. The search would be event ID. Okay, you see multiple option here. From here we need to choose this step by one, and that's it. Okay, because instantly you may not see it because it already added. So you need to go, let's say go plus again, and I am not seeing this. So what I need to do is I need to give it a refresh. I mean the page needs to be refreshed to template should be appeared. Now with this I would go again. Sorry, not this one. Okay, I need to add a parameter, event parameter, which is called event ID, and go to plus icon. Now we should see that template. Now just save it as event ID, and that's it. Save. Now go to your lead event from browser side and object properties, and it would be event name, event ID, sorry, and we already created the variable, right? Click on plus, and this is the event ID. Show it, save it. Once done, publish your container. Okay, cool. So it should be implemented. Wait for a few seconds. Okay. Now what I would do is I would give it a preview. Also my server container to see if the both part is sending data or not. Okay. I'll open it. I'll go to event manager. I'll clear the previous activity. Okay. Now page view has been arrived. So for page view, we did not configure this from server side. Okay. For lead only, we have configured it from both sides. So I would submit the form. Submission is done. My lead event has been captured. Okay, lead is from server browser. You should wait for server one. It should be in few seconds. Okay, cool. You see your event has been raised, showed up, and under generated, you see my conversion API text succeed. So they both has been on my dashboard, lead, server, and browser. So for some reason, the event ID is not okay. I think it's working. Yes. Okay, wait for it to deduplication. Okay, we need to wait few seconds to see the deduplication. Okay, the deduplication is not working. There is a reason. I understand this. Now go to your tags again on your browser side and open your lead event. Under object properties, remove this event ID. Go to more settings. You add the event ID here. Okay, event ID. Okay, just you can also add it from here. So I already added it. I will save it. I would test it again to see if the deduplication is successfully working or not. To wait for the okay, I would just go with the preview so that I can see everything in action. Okay, it's loaded up. Here it is. You see my pixel started receiving data. Now I would submit the form. My submission has been recorded, and wait for the browser one has came up. Server would take few seconds. You see, the event ID has been now here. That means the last time we did it was not correct way. Now wait for a few seconds. The server event should come up. Okay, it's came up. Now it should be deduplicated. Okay, give it a few seconds. Sometimes it may be different on your end, like it is taking few seconds to deduplicate it or show you the deduplication. It should be deduplicated. Just give it a refresh. It may get the job done faster or show you the faster. Even though if you don't refresh, the deduplication will happen, but it will take few seconds. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay, so it's like it is taking longer to showing you the deduplication, but the deduplication is working, and I am telling you this from my experience, 5 years of working experience. So as you can see that the browser and server is sharing same event ID, you see. So it should be deduplicated in few minutes, and you might see some animation of deduplication. So for now, I would just leave as it is, and I will show you how that would just look in a. Okay, you see, your event deduplication would look like exactly this: the lead, browser, and server. Once the event ID is same for both, the deduplication would work. There are several factors you can consider, but for now you see the event ID is same. So once the same, it will show you some animation like this. It will take few seconds or minutes based on the server response or based on the Meta's response. So no worry, till the ID is same, your deduplication is perfectly working. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. Let's dive into the today's insight. So now I am going to explain you why you should implement event match qualities for improvement techniques. The reason behind this is, let me show you what does event match qualities for means. This is my form. Okay, here what I see, I can collect first name, last name, and email. So if you have other data like phone number and state and country and whatever data you have and essential or important, we can send it to Meta, and which will improve your event match quality score. Let me show you. You see, this is my new pixel and I don't have any event match quality score. But if I come on my recent pixel, my page view got a score of 3.0 out of 10, which is really low and bad quality of event match quality score. We can definitely improve that, and that event match quality can be improved by sending this information: first name, last name, email, and that can be sent with lead event, purchase event. So relevant event we can send, not for every event, but that page view would be event would be improved by sending other parameters like FBP, FBC, external ID, and much more parameters we can send. But in terms of even improving your lead event match quality score, what I need to do is, let me test if I just have any data for my lead event. Okay, no. So for 14, maybe I would see some data for my lead. You see, lead has not got any quality score. The reason behind this, it has not received enough event yet. If you want to implement it, you can let me know. I can help you on that thing. Just like I would send this first name, last name, email, and other parameters like phone, whatever you have available. Once you are sending this event match quality score to Meta, that will really help you to boost your ads. I mean the efficiency of your ad. Because once you send as much as data about your event, let's say for lead event, you are sending email, first name, last name, phone. So that would be will send to your Meta's AI, ads AI, which will later analyze those to identify a customer. If they get a higher match, and then they would be able to know that the customer's interest, and with those interests, they would be able to give you much more customer and improve your ads efficiency, improve your conversions. We even seen by improving event match quality score from 3.0 to 9.0, it gave them a 3x ROI, where they were getting 1x ROI, not even 1x, 0.99. So it was not like 1x ROI even. So it was like knowing your customer and letting Meta know about your customer would really benefit you to improve your ads efficiency. So for now, that's it. If you need any help, you can just reach out to me. I would be happy to help you on that. Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to integrate TikTok Pixel with our Funnelish funnel. Now, first of all, you need to connect your GTM with the Funnelish funnel. We already did it on our previous videos. You can check the first videos of GTM integration with Funnelish funnel. Now, what to do? You need to have a pixel. You can create one also. Already, I have created one. So you see just few minutes back. Now, what I need to do? I need to go to this is my Funnelish page. So I already connected my GTM. So I would go to GTM, go to tags, and boom, just go there and get the settings, and then you see view base code. Just copy the pixel code, and also you have two ways to do it. First is this. Wait for a second. Now search for TikTok. So TikTok has published a GTM template here already by them. You just go there, and once this, you need to find an event here. You see, no event has been here. Place an order, submit form. So we need page view, right? So to do that, I would just go with the direct code, custom HTML, and enter the code here, and that's it. Add a trigger of all pages, and then TikTok pixel base code. Yes, this one, and that's it. You save the changes, publish it. Okay, now wait. So we now need to go to the page, which is this. I will just reopen it. Here, come here. You should see you would need a TikTok pixel extension, which is called TikTok pixel helper. Search for it on Google and connect it. Once you see your pixel page view has been connected with your TikTok pixel, and you can see my name also, my TikTok pixel name. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to integrate your TikTok events API with your Funnelish funnel. So to do that, you need browser and server container both. As you can see, I am already sending my lead event to server. How to configure that server? You need to check our step iOS server integration video. There you can just see how to configure this, everything like that events ID would be not there. So here you see that we are sending our ID and event name, then the trigger when this will be fired when someone visits the confirmation page, right? Then what I need to do is I need to go back to my server container and click on plus, and I need to search for TikTok. There should be a template. Okay, instead of going manually, it's easier to go with template. TikTok, yes, yeah, this TikTok events API official by TikTok. Plus, boom. Now you need your credentials. Go to settings. First, copy the ID. You need the access token. Just little bit scrolling. Generate access token. Boom. That's it. And the event name I want to do is what? Page view. Okay. What it would be? I would just call it constant variable. Okay, let's call it a event of contact. Okay, just for placeholder. You can choose custom. You can choose whatever you want. Now you know that when someone submits a form, my browser side would throw an event called generate lead to my server side. So I would just trigger it as an event. Save. I would just publish both my container. Cool. Now come here and close it. So that's it. Now what I would just do is I would just go to test event, and yeah, this is my page. I would just visit this page to see if my events has been successfully receiving or not. Okay, now I would just give it a preview to see what's happening. Yes, I would give it a page view, and when someone submits that form successfully, it's an event for me, and it's called contact for my TikTok. You see my generate lead and my TikTok events API official successfully fired. So that should be raised up here in few seconds. Okay. Our test event code. Okay, we need to upgrade our test event code. Wait. Okay, here you see that is the test event code. Save this, and again you need to submit and publish the container. The event is working. Just to show you on the dashboard, I will just do it again of integrating the test event code. Okay, now let's start from my landing page. This is my landing page, and this is my preview. Okay, I'm not yet on preview mode. I just want to see when that event showed, and TikTok receives an event for us. Okay, give it a refresh. You see my server side is start receiving event. Submit. Cool. Now come here. Directly, a TikTok events API fired successfully. You see your contact events has been applied from server. Connection method, server, and it's work. So that way you are easily connecting your server or TikTok events API with your Funnelish funnel, which is better because nowadays people or users are not willing to give you their third-party users data, which is a third-party because TikTok, Facebook, and other event platforms are third-party whenever you're visiting a site. So they are not willing to give you third-party. So you should be implementing events API to bypass them. And also iOS 14.5 updates are really in action. So you need this essential, So for now, that's it. If you need any help, you can reach out to me. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So let's dive into the insight. What we want to do is, you see, this is my Funnelish funnel, and we want to improve our event match quality score. And how? If you come here, TikTok would give you an EMQ score. You see, it's 29, so low. It's like 3 out of 10. So with this, you would not be able to do precise targeting of your customer. So what we can do is, we can collect this first name, last name, email, phone number, whatever you have on the website, and pass them to TikTok so that they give you a good event match quality score, which will later help you to optimize your ads for the right customer on right time. Once you send as much as data about the event, TikTok ads AI would know that who the customer exactly is. Once the AI know, that would just optimize your ads, more likely customer, more same interested customer to the ads. That way you get better results, better ROI, that way you get more efficient ads. So you spend, and your spend will talk with you, talk data, and data will talk with the ads manager, and then ads manager will efficient and improvise or just optimize your ads. So for now, that's it. If you need any help with that, you can just reach out to me. Hello everyone. So now we will see how to integrate your LinkedIn Insight tag with your Funnelish funnel. So first of all, to do that, you need to be connected with GTM with your funnel. So what you already did on our first videos on this playlist. So now I will go to my GTM, and under tags, what I need to get is, I need to get the tag, search for LinkedIn. You see LinkedIn Insight. Now I need the Insight tag ID, right? So what you need to do is go to your LinkedIn ad account, under Analyze, Signal Manager, click on that inside tag. I already had it, so that's why you are not seeing it. I want to use tag manager, so this is my partner ID. That's it. Get it here and paste it here and publish it on all pages. Okay, get it and enter it here, and that's it. Publish it, LinkedIn inside, and boom, publish the container. So to check that, you need to, yes, inside tag checker. That is an you see the B2B house. You just need to search for that extension. Go there, and yeah, you just need to install it on your browser, and that's it. That way you will be able to see if the extension has been successfully implemented or not. Okay, where is my page? You see no firing right now. Expect no, nothing were found. If I give it a refresh as I publish my GTM container, you see there is one. That means I inspect success. Partner ID is this. If I go to check, yeah, it is matching. So my LinkedIn Insight tag is super easy to integrate with your integration of GTM and Funnelish. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Hello everyone. Now we will be seeing how to set up LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for your Funnelish funnel. So we have already connected our GTM with our funnel, so you can see it on our first video. Now we already connected our Insight tag. Now what needs to do is go to your tag manager and search for tag community template gallery and search for LinkedIn. Okay, just search for this LinkedIn, yes, Insight tag 2.0 by LinkedIn. Add it. Now go to your LinkedIn Ads Manager. Now conversion tracking. I want to create a new conversion to Insight tag conversion, and that would be naming after, let's say, lead Funnelish. Category is lead. Yes, for sure. I want to be 10 and 30 days, 7 days last up. Everything looks good. Tag manager. So I would just be event specific. What needs is conversion ID. And now go to your tag manager. We already opened it, right? We first need the conversion ID. Yes, this one. Now we need the partner ID, which is this copy code inside tag. And then come to the custom URL. Don't need event ID. For now, we don't need it. So they are asking for our values. So we already passing that, right? You see, we already chose on our event. So it will automatically capture this. So now there is nothing to do. Now we need to see when the conversion will happen. That means the form submission. So when someone submits, they come to here. I would need to create a trigger. You see, click on create trigger and page view and some page view, page URL, and that's it. LinkedIn lead. Okay, I just named it. Anyway, you can name it. So now save this, submit it, publish it. Yeah, continue. Now it's time to check if the conversion tracking is working or not. So next step is that I don't want to create any, that like no event I want to create. Okay, so here what are they asking? Event specific, cool. So now I should go next step, and I think how could we bypass this? Okay, no problem. You see, it is unverified. So how to verify this? So no activity has been detected. Now let's do one thing. Let's visit our landing page and submit the form successfully. And we see our Insight tag is here. Now submit the form and submit the form. Okay, our Insight tag is showing it is working. Also, there is extension called this pixel helper, and that is showing us this. So also, if you come here, this is previously showing unverified. It should show you active because it just recently received an event, right? Okay, give it a second. There is no way we can just troubleshoot this. That's where we just need to wait. It would show you like this, active. Okay, last signal was received, so no activity has been received. So if you just wait for a few hours, maybe it will just show you the conversion here. And also, let's test. No test is enabled here. So that way you would just be setting up the conversion for LinkedIn, and you need to wait until that gets active for you, and you would be able to use it on your ads. For now, that's it. Very good. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking from browser side. So now let's go to our Google Ads. You see this is our Google Ads and I am under goals. You should do the same. So now create a conversion. Before that you need to connect your GTM with your Funnelish funnel. You already did it. So that's why you are on that stage of integrating Google Ads. Now click on create new conversion. Website would be this. Okay, I will let it scan. Now I'll cancel it. I'll create conversion action manually. Category would be lead, type something. Contact, yeah, let's say it's contact. Funnelish. Name it however you want. Okay. So now I will just not use any value. So everything is done. Now go to save and continue. So now you need to set up your Google tag, right? Already we have set up our Google tag throughout our, okay, we have no Google tag, right? We first need to set up our Google tag and click on setup. It would just appear with something. Wait. Yeah, we need this ID. Okay, copy this ID. Go to your GTM, click on new, Google tag, or under Google Ads, go to Google tag, and that's it. Wait for it to load it properly. Save it, Google tag, ads. Now we need to give it a refresh. Maybe some, technical bug on GTM. So again, the same step, Google tag. I will enter it here and I load properly. I will save it here. Now also you need one more tag, Google Ads, conversion linker. Save it. Trigger all pages, save. Yeah, that's it. Now the last step is create new, and then go to Google Ads conversion tracking. Now you need the conversion ID first. What is your conversion ID? Cancel. Now use Google Tag Manager. This is your conversion ID. Now the conversion label. This is your conversion label. And the value we entered 0, right? So you should not enter anything as you are not sending any value. If you are sending anything, you could just, just like do this sending. Trigger, not all pages, right? So when there would be fired, some page view. If I submit my, contact us page and submit this. Yes, this is my page when they will load. Okay, it would be page URL and enter it here, save it, Google Ads, contact, and that's it. The spelling is wrong, but yeah, for now it would be okay. So Google Ads conversion tracking, publish, submit, and boom. So now you will see that on our tag assistant, you should not see anything. Okay, first of all, you need to refresh this page. Okay. Now we need to submit the page to check if this is working. Install the Google Tag Assistant from Google, and then you should be able to see your Google Analytics. You see, if you go there, a conversion happened. This double click. So it's like remarketing tag has been firing. So conversion. So it's tracking all of our conversion.
Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing the importance of Google Ads user provided data. So let's see. As you can see, this is our funnel and we are collecting few data like first name, last name, email, maybe phone number, and maybe state, city. So you see, this is our latest conversion we have created on our last videos, and it is working, and it is saying no recent conversion. That means our conversion tracking is been successfully working. Fine. So now what if we send much more data with this event? So if you go to your Google Ads conversion tracking event and scroll down, you see include user provided data from your website. How to do it? They will ask you to add email and phone, first name, last name, state, city, country. So whatever data you have available on the site, we can send it back to Google Ads to improve your the internal data sending quality to Google Ads. So that way, if you send much more data to Google Ads will know much more about your user, and they can just extract much more information about the interest the user have. So much more interest data they have, they will be able to understand the user's psychology, and they would be able to understand the tracking ability of the user, so that they can implement or retarget more customer or give you more conversions from those data. So this is really important factor for your ads. So the Google Ads user provided data is a must thing you should do for any of your ads event or conversions if you are doing it. So if you need any help on this thing, you can just let me know. I would be happy to help you on this thing. We can send all this data from your site back to Google Ads and improve your internal data sending quality and optimize your ads based on real insights about the customer to Google Ads AI. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So today we will be seeing integrating our Pinterest pixel with our Funnelish funnel. We have already connected our Google Tag Manager with our funnel. You can check it on our first video of this playlist. So now we need to come to our business manager of your Pinterest. So you come here and under manage businesses, you come on conversion. So that's it. Then you come here under this tag manager. So you need to create a tag. I would just this created tag already created by me. So you can see that if I just see this is my Pinterest tag ID, you can also get that because on your end you maybe not created this. So now for now I would just go with this. So I got my Pinterest tag, right? Now go there and click on new tag configuration and search for Pinterest. You got that tag and enter the ID and boom. And then all pages, and sure you are choosing this base code only, no event, Pinterest tag base code. Yes, base code. That's it. Publish. So before that, let me show you, there is no Pinterest already installed. You can install an extension called Pinterest, which is this one, Pinterest Tag Helper. But I will now publish it and try to see if the pixel connection with my Funnelish funnel is been successfully done or not. So go to workspace, copy the URL, preview. Okay, now I would just go to my funnel. As the page loaded, so you see once the page loaded, my Pinterest base code fired. Also, if you see that extension, they are saying my tag has been done successfully connection. initialized event was sent successfully. That means with my Pinterest pixel, our Funnelish funnel has been successfully connected. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to integrate our Pinterest conversion with our Funnelish funnel or Pinterest pixel event. So first of all, this is our funnel, and we have already connected our GTM with this. Also integrated our base code, as you can see on our last video of Pinterest. The base code is successfully done. Now we need to create a conversion when someone is submitting that form on our funnel. Yeah, cool. So this is the page they are submitting. So I would create a new page and create a new trigger plus page view, some page view. Page URL contains this, and I would call it Pinterest lead. Okay, whatever you want to name it. Now I would choose the tag template, which is this. I need the ID, right? Go to tag manager under. So how to come here under business manager? You will be able to see that conversion. Come here. Under tag manager, you need to create that tag. I already created this, that's why you are seeing already here. So copy that tag ID and enter it here. And now what we need, we want when someone is doing an form submission, it is called lead for me. It is internal leads, internal lead. Okay. So I would say it internal. Whatever you want to say, you can say. I can also send custom parameter like name, email, so that you can improve your image quality score. But for now, we would go with this Pinterest tag lead. Cool. Now you just submit this, publish, skip, or continue. Whatever you say, the publish would be done. Now is done. Now I would go to preview, and my landing page is this. I will just enter it here and connect it and try to see if my lead event has been successfully capturing or not. Now contact us. Okay, every information is filled up here. Submit. Okay, now the extension should show us the lead event. Okay, come here. Once the container loaded, our lead event has been fired. So it is taking little bit to show us the lead event. You see, the lead event has been appeared. It was taking a few seconds to implement. You see my lead event has been successfully sent, and everything is successfully working. And you can see the example data also if you need. So for now, that's it. And if you need any help with these related things, you can just let me know. I will be happy to help out on this thing. Till then, have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to implement Pinterest conversion API for your Funnelish funnel. And as you can see, Pinterest itself saying maximize conversion visibility with conversion API. So it does mean that implementing conversion API is really helpful for you, so that you can collect more conversion more efficiently. Now we need to do one thing. You need your Google Analytics 4 ID. How to do that, you can check on our Google Analytics 4 video. So we already had our browser side event. Now throughout GA4 we will be implementing, and just like we will be implementing our conversion API, and GA4 will be used as a client to send data to our Pinterest server side. Okay. Now I would just send server container URL. We would need one more thing. Yes, this. We have created this already. You can track or check on our videos. We need this URL, and I will enter this here, and that's it. We also need to have this URL on our container setting of server. You see, we already configured on our step by video. You can check that video to have an overview how to create this step server and configure those from start. So for now I will save it. Okay, it is taking invalid input. It's maybe because some technical issue from GTM. We would need to create it again. Okay, no issue, we can do it. Analytics, the Google tag, and the tag ID you know already, which is this one. And then add parameter would be server container URL, and you know the URL is this. And then it is save. Now we need another event which will send that event to server side. Okay, GA4 event, and measurement ID is needed, so which is this one. So we are using that GA4 as a client to send our data, which is free for use. That's why we are using that. Okay, generate lead. So when the lead is working, we need to create a trigger, right? We already created the trigger when someone is visiting that page. So I would just save it. Also I would go to my server container, and I would need another tag template there to configure our Pinterest conversion API for server side. Go to tag template or community template gallery, search for Pinterest. You see, this is the Pinterest. You should be adding this. Okay, now you need the advertiser ID, which you can get easily from the URL, the advertiser ID, and API access token key. Sorry, the setup API, generate access new token. Okay, copy this, enter it here, and anything else? No, I don't want anything else. Now when that should fire? That should fire when someone is doing a lead event with us, which is called this. Okay, generate lead. That's it. Save, and boom, publish. Or you need to publish the both side. Okay, publish, skip. That's it. Both should be published. We will just go to both side workplace to give them preview. Okay, first I will give this a preview. It's loaded. Now I would go to my browser container to give it a preview. We'll go to our landing page. You see, our lead event has not committed yet. No response received here. So what if I submit it? So I submitted it and I visited that page. That was our condition for lead. Okay, so you see our generate lead event has been appeared and our tag has been failed. The reason behind this, you should easily see here what are they saying. Event ID is required property. So we can configure that, right? So for now we can send it from our browser side. Analytics for event. Event parameters, it should say event ID. I would just copy that from them directly. Copy, paste, and we already created the event ID variable on our deduplication video or meta. You can check that. So now I would save it. Publish, yes, publish, and here I would add a parameter which is called, let's do it. It should inherit from there, or we need to maybe configure it manually. Yes, over at event data. Yes, we would just add event data, maybe event ID. Yes, event ID. The parameter value would be, we'll creating it event data, and the key path is this. So now it will publish again. Publish. So you see, the last time we were seeing this is failed, but this time we fix the issue. So we should be seeing this working, or maybe not. Let's see. Give it a preview. give this a preview again. Okay, it started receiving data. Submit the form again. Wait for the lead event. Okay, you see, succeed. All the issue has been solved. If you go to values, it will show you the exact event ID. So that's how we can set up our conversion API. You can also send all of those data, whatever you have here, the first name, last name, email, so that you can improve your EMQ score or event match quality score, which will later help you to improve your ads and target your customer more precisely. So for now, that's it. Very good. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So let's dive into today's insights. So we want to set up our Microsoft UAT tag for our Funnelish funnel. For that, you need to connect the GTM first with your funnel. We already did it on our earlier videos. You can check our first video, how to integrate GTM with your Funnelish funnel. Now first go to your Microsoft Ads dashboard. Now conversion to UAT tag. We should have one already, but I will not go with them. I will create one first. Create, yes, I would name it Funnelish lead. I don't want to give it a description. Save and next. And I want to install it by myself. And yeah, that's it. So what do you need from here? You need only one thing, which is the ID of your, the ID should be this, yes, the tag ID variable. Now come here on your browser container. Then we already implemented those technologies. Now search for Bing or Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft Universal, and this is our UAT tag ID, right? And here must check this UAT tag config only. Then all pages, save, yes. And you just publish this. That's all. Okay, now to check this, you need to add an extension called Microsoft UAT tag helper, which should be, let me find those. Okay, search for Microsoft UAT tag helper. Okay, yes, I have this already. I just need to bring it in the front. UAT tag helper, yes. Let me find it where I have. Okay, this choice is no longer available because it does not follow the best practice. Okay, so it's being depreciated. So let's see if there is any. No. Okay, let's just do one thing. We have did it, and we will just go to next. All done. Yes, done. Okay. Now we are here, so we need to check it, right? So troubleshoot UAT tags, install the UAT extension which is not working, check it. So now what we would do is we would just go with this view dashboard, and you see it is unverified. Now we will just do some test, give it a preview, and the page we are going to it is the landing page. Okay, now wait, our UAT tag should receive activities. So now let's see, if I come here on the page, you see my Microsoft UAT tag has been successfully firing without any issue, and it's fired. So now give it a refresh. Maybe it shows you that the tag is not unverified anymore. Okay, no chat. Okay, it will take some times to that now I got the option. I I would just enter my URL here so it tests it by itself. Okay. Now wait. I would just submit the, yeah, that's it. So what does it show? No, we did not. Okay. Okay, so our UET tag has been successfully installed and it is showing no data yet. The reason behind this, it is still on waiting for the implementation. Maybe it takes some time to show you the verification status of the event. So just wait for this. Okay. Now let's do this again. Maybe it would take some time. You just need to wait because everything would be here. Okay, there was a UET tag helper ID which is not available anymore due to its not best practices. So let's do one thing. We will go with our edge. Maybe I have the UET tag helper here. Okay, now I have the UET tag helper here. I will just enter my page here to test if this is there. Okay, wait for a few seconds so that the page load up. Okay, now I would enable this and I would give it a refresh again. You see, my tag helper has been arrived. It is successfully working. The reason behind this, you are seeing it is not activate here. The reason is it is taking some time to show you the data, but the tag helper immediately fetch the data and show you the data. So now let's go to the dashboard. Everything is working and you are good to go with your Microsoft UET tag. Now in the next video we will be seeing up how to set up Bing Ads or Microsoft Ads conversion tracking. That's it for now. Have a good day. Hello everyone. Now we will be seeing how to set up our Microsoft Ads conversion tracking for our Funnelish funnel. So as you can see, this is our funnel. So when someone submits the form, they visit a page called confirmation page. So I would just be there. So let's set up the conversion tracking. First come here on your Microsoft advertising dashboard. After that you come to conversion goals. Okay, select conversion goals. Boom, that's it. Now click on create. It is website. Category, I would just choose some submit lead form. Event, next. Name is lead Funnelish. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. Don't assign a value. So now next. I don't want to use enhance conversions, but you can do it. Tag is Funnelish lead. Okay, no, this tag is already installed, so I will just go. Okay, we need to go back. So yes, this UET tag was already installed. Now save and next. Manual installation, go to next. So action is submit lead form, right? What do you want to track this event on a page load or inline action? So that's it. So we don't need much data. Let's grab this one, go to our browser container, and we already connected our GTM, right? So click on new and search for Microsoft. Okay, now wait, what do you want to set up? Variable from destination URL or vertical is e-commerce, hotel, define your own. Okay, so define your own custom event name is this submit lead form. We already created this, right? So now triggering on this page view, when someone visits my thank you page URL contains this and save. Okay, so now it is called lead. This time we will test it if this is working or not. Submit, publish, skip. So let's go to save and next. Done. Okay, so what is our lead name? Analytics lead or lead Funnelish? Yes. Test this goal. Okay, they would ask you I would just go to here to test this. Okay, let's go with my extension only. Okay, let me see if my extension has been successfully, the tag manager is published successfully. Now I'll just test it. Give it a refresh, enough refresh, because sometimes it takes some time to be able to fetch or to be able to implement. Okay, I need you see, once the page is loaded, my custom event parameter detail is this: submit lead form, event action name has been successfully working. So that means here on your ads dashboard it should be arrived in, just it will take some time, but it will be arriving here and everything is perfectly working. And that's how you do set up conversion tracking for your Funnelish funnels. And for now, that's it. If you need any help and further or much more improved help, you can just let me know. I will be happy to help you on this thing. You will be able to find some links on the description so that you can take my help and reach out to me. So for now, that's it. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So today we will be seeing how to integrate Snapchat Pixel with your Funnelish funnel. So this is my funnel and we have already connected our GTM with our Funnelish funnel, so you can check it on our first video of this playlist. So now let's start. So when someone is visiting this page and I want to track them down for my Snapchat Pixel, so let's integrate our Pixel. So this is my Snapchat dashboard. I want to create another Pixel. It's called Funnelish 2025 and that's it. Okay, let it load. Yeah, it's load, right? Now we need to go to our pixel. How? Just wait. Managers, no, not this. Yeah, events manager. That's it. Go there. You'll be able to access the pixel. Now here we have created our pixel and we need to able to find it. Click funnels, Funnelish, not this one. I was created new one. Let's create this Funnelish 2025 new. Okay, let's create it now. Okay, we got it here. No, we need that ID only. Okay. Copy that ID and that's it. Go to your GTM and under tags, tag configuration, template gallery, wait, search for it, Snapchat, yeah, Snap Pixel by Snapchat. You should add this only, add. And pixel ID is this, okay, and event is page view. That's it, nothing need to be sent. All pages, save. Okay, boom. Now submit, publish, skip. Okay, now done. So we'll give it a preview and show you in 2 ways. For that you need to add an extension called Snapchat Pixel Helper. Just add it on your browser. That's it. Now give it a preview. Connect. Okay, page loaded, right? So you see our Pixel Helper is showing that our one pixel event is page view is connected to that ID. So that means our Snapchat Pixel integration with our Funnelish funnel is successfully done. Also, you can see our Snap Pixel has been fired. When the page loaded, it's fired successfully without any issue. So that's it for now. Have a good day. On our next video, we will be showing you how to set up Snapchat Pixel's conversions for your funnel. Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So now we will be seeing how to integrate our snap pixel integration for events like subscribe or lead type things. So what you need to do, come to the events manager directly and go to your pixel. I am on my pixel and copy that ID. That's it. Go to your GTM and yeah, go to tags, tag configuration. Yeah, your snap pixel, you need to add it from the template gallery. I already added it, so you just need to add it, snap pixel and the ID. Now the event type, what I want to say is maybe okay, spend credits, wish event, wish, reserve, share, login, invite. So let's call it sign up. Okay, we can send the email, you have phone number, you see all of the options are here, first name, last name, add ID and price. So whatever you want to do, we can send it right from here. You see we have a data, we can send that. So we are not sending it right now, but if you want, we can send it. Let me know if you need help with this. So now when this event should fire, this sign up, when someone visits my this page, let me show you, this page. So you see some page views, page URL, this, and it would be snap sign up. Okay, cool. Now it's done. Now you just need to submit, publish, skip or publish, whatever you click, it will be just published. Now again I will come to workspace. We will check from both sides that the application is working or not. Okay, go to connect. Cool. You see our initialization has been successfully working. Now let's submit the form and fill out this. Okay, now you see pixel helper is picking this up. Our sign up event has been successfully working and it's really working good. Also you can see that on that page our Snapchat pixel helper 1 is called sign up is successfully working. So that way you can easily track your Snapchat pixels conversions for your snap ads. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Hello everyone, now we will be seeing how to integrate a Reddit pixel for our Funnelish funnel. First of all, you need to integrate your GTM with your Funnelish. So we have already done it on our first video of this playlist. Now first of all, go to your ads manager of Reddit. So I am under my ads manager, and then you see that events overview. You need to come under events manager. That's it. You copy that pixel ID. Go to your tag manager, go to tags, last new. Okay, now you need to search for Reddit. You may not see it here, so go to community template gallery. Reddit pixel by Reddit. That's it. Edit, add. Now enter the ID. Okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything. Just shows first page visit and all pages. Save. Cool. Now you need to publish it. Publish this. Skip. Meanwhile, you need to add an extension called Reddit Pixel Helper. You see, Reddit Pixel Helper. Go and search for it. Go into the Chrome web store. You add it. I have already added this and my GTM has been published, so I'll check if the extension is picking up my pixel or not. Okay, wait for it. Where is my Reddit pixel? It's you see my Reddit pixel has been actually capturing my conversions. Okay, wait for this. Again I'll show you. The reason the page is loaded, so you see my page loaded or my page visit has been successfully capturing my Reddit pixel and it is successfully working. So that's it for now. On our next videos you will be able to see how to set up conversion for your Reddit pixel for your Funnelish funnel. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So now we will be configuring Reddit pixel conversions for our Funnelish funnel so that you can track them through your Reddit ads. Just need to come to ads.reddit.com and then under there you just choose event manager and that's it. Copy that pixel ID and go to your tag manager where we have already connected our GTM with our Funnelish funnel. You can check that on our first video of this playlist where we have integrated GTM with our Funnelish. So now what we need to do is tags and go new tag configuration. We have already added the pixel of Reddit, so you can add that tag template by community template gallery and boom, you got the pixel ID. So what is the value is created? Okay, now event to fire would be lead. So nothing I want to send because nothing is important here. So figure page flip. So when I want to fire this, when someone submits the form and actually visits this page, okay, what I would do is I would say when someone visits this page, fire an event lead for me, right? Save Reddit pixel lead. Now submit, publish, skip. Okay, so go to workspace and what to do now, you just go to the funnel page of your landing page. Okay, you see our Reddit pixel picked up our page view event. Now it's time for testing our lead event. Okay, cool. Now wait, it may taking some time to be, yeah, you see appear. Our lead event has been appeared for that pixel, reference URL, timestamp, latency, whatever you say, it's working perfectly. So for now you see that our lead event capturing for our Reddit pixel is successfully working. So not only leads, you can track any events if you want for your Reddit pixel. So there are many more options. We can pass as much as data you want. So it's like if you want to track purchase, there are few more things: item count, transaction ID, conversion ID, and also you can improve your image quality score by this. You see, I can just pass your email and then phone, and you see the external AID, external ID, so that we can improve your image quality and make better your Reddit ads. So for now that's it, and if you need any help you can just reach out to me. I would be happy to help you out on this thing. Have a good day. Hello everyone, this is masumjia here. So today we will be implementing our Reddit pixel conversion API for our Funnelish funnel. So this is our funnel, so you can see the funnel here. So you need to first integrate your Reddit pixel with that funnel. We have already implemented our GTM, and through GTM we have integrated our you see our Reddit pixel. So you need to do few things to be able to use that. First of all, you need to check out first video how to integrate GTM. Then you need to see our second video how to integrate your Google Analytics 4. Then our third video, or maybe 4 to 5 video, which is called Step IO integration. Throughout this you would be able to configure everything from server integration to GA4. So those 3 videos are really mandatory to be able to implement this. So check out them, and now let's see how to integrate this. So first go to your Reddit ads manager, and under events manager you are just here, copy that ID, and now go to your server container, new template gallery, and search for Reddit. You see Reddit conversion API by Reddit, you just add this, that's it. Now you need the pixel ID, which I got already. Okay, now page visit, no, we would say lead. No, nothing I want to send. Yeah, that's all. Conversion API. So when someone submits a form on my website or my funnel, this is called generate lead. You see, you just grab the event, whatever you name it. You can check on our GA4 video. So custom event, enter it here and name it. So that's it. I don't need it, so I will not create it. I have already one. Generate lead. That's it. Save this. And what is it saying? You must, okay, conversion access token. Okay, go to conversion API, generate access token, Funnelish. Okay, now it would give us an access token. Copy. That's it. Test mode. Yes. Okay, it's too long. Submit, publish, skip. Now close. What I want to do is I want to check to diagnostic events overview. So pixel configuration, event testing. Yeah. So now I want to do my event testing as I have already implemented. You see that. So browser already updated, server updated right now. So I would go to test. You see testing URL, and I would just contact us, submit. Okay, cool. Now you see page visit has been received through Google Tag Manager, page visit lead. Now open that up. You see that your referral URL is this, and everything is working because we have not integrated this yet. So that way we are good to go with our Reddit ads, and everything is perfectly working. So for now, that's it. If you need any help or better or more improved or far advanced implementation of your Reddit pixel, you can let me know. I would be happy to help you out on that thing. So that's it for now. Have a good day. That's all.